What's up, Tech Gang? Savon here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the gaming review on the Samsung Galaxy A21. Stay tuned. Now, before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Armadillo Tech for actually sponsoring today's video. If you guys are looking for a case that utilizes practical use cases such as side grip, dust covers, and kickstands, and most importantly does not break the bank, then this is a case you should definitely check out. You have a variety of different types of colors and styles that will give your phone more protection as well as more character. If you guys want to learn more, I've left some links in the description down below as well as the comment section down below. But let's go ahead and start this video. Alright everyone, so we have the A21 here. I got tons of questions about this phone and its gaming capabilities, therefore we're going to try out a few games in this video. Also, if you guys want me to make any other videos on the Galaxy A21, I will definitely take those comments to heart. So if you guys want me to make something very badly about the A21, definitely post it in the comment section down below. Alright everyone, so let's get straight into this. We have three different genres of video games. We have a shoot 'em up, which is basically alien shooter. We have Call of Duty, which is a first person shooter. And we also have our fighting game right here, Mortal Kombat. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the alien shooter because it's sort of the least graphic intensive game. So let's go and start this off. Also, if you guys haven't played this game yet, it is a very great game to pass time. Obviously don't recommend using this at work or school, but a very fun game nonetheless. Let's go ahead and start this off. Maybe turn up the volume a bit. This speaker is insanely loud, honestly. Very, very loud speaker. Also, just know that the speaker is at the bottom of the phone, the bottom left side, so do not cover that up or try not to cover that up. So this runs actually perfect so far. I see no drop frames whatsoever. Obviously, this is a very low graphic intensive game, but it still looks like it's running very, very smoothly. It actually looks like 60 FPS. I don't know about you, but obviously nothing special right here, but it runs great. Let's have a little bit more gameplay on here and call this a day. All right, next for the FPS players, we have Call of Duty loaded up. So if you guys are wanting to play the new Call of Duty, this is how it runs. And again, you will cover up the speaker if you guys are holding it this way, so just remember to go ahead and flip that over. And do bear with me because I am looking through the camera, so this might be bad gameplay. So far running good though. I do see a tiny bit of slowdown, but really it's nothing. Graphics look good though, colors look good, shading looks good. Obviously it's nothing like the Galaxy S10 Plus or like the Note 10 or any of those flagships, but this still looks very good and is definitely playable. Let's get a few more of these eliminations in. Let's go ahead and end this off right now. There we go. So Call of Duty Mobile runs good on this device. Definitely no problems here. Alright everyone, so the next and the last game we're going to be running is going to be Mortal Kombat. Let's go and try this out. Alright everyone, so we're going to test out the gameplay. We already know that the speakers sound good. So far though, very fluid gameplay. As you guys can see. Graphics look great as well. The frame rate looks good as well. We haven't seen any slowdown yet, so that's good news. And after playing for about 10 minutes on this phone, I really don't feel any heat. Maybe a little bit of warmth on the top of the phone right here. But you can't really even notice it. So far it's decent. Obviously long gaming sessions, it's going to be a little bit hotter, so that always comes with, you know, gaming, but this is running games quite fine, honestly. So game runs great. If you guys want to play any graphic intensive fighting games on here, it seems like they run decently. Really, I don't see any other fighting game that's higher graphically intensive than Mortal Kombat, but if there is, definitely put it in the comments down below. I'd like to know. but runs great, and every other game has run great on this phone so far. But yeah guys, the Galaxy A21 can really run some graphic intensive games and do it well, so you don't have to spend a ton of money on a device to get power out of it. So definitely a great phone for gaming on a budget. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.